Hi everyone, we are the toy doctors. Today our patient is this cool vintage doll, but look, she has a big crack on her shoulder. Let's fix it. First we cut a tiny piece of mesh tape. This will make inside super strong. Next we use a file to scratch the plastic. Now it's time to mix our 2-part strong epoxy glue. We put the mesh inside the doll body, then we put the glue right on top to lock it in place. We mix more glue, but this time we add black paint. Now it matches her skin. We fill the outside crack with our black glue mix. Once it's dry, we use a file to sand it down and flat and smooth. Time for the best part. We push her arm back into the shoulder hole. Ready? Pop! It works. Wow, it perfectly fits. The new joint is very strong. We use a tiny black brush and black paint to hide the fix. You can't even see it. Look, her arm moves perfectly now. Another toy saved by the toy doctors. Please subscribe. Bye.